What she has one right there. She has one down. Right there, the new plan. She's in there, right there. All right, she's doing good. She's doing real good. She's taking her time. She's consistent. She's doing. Has 3 down. Is that correct? Trey has 3 down. That's his 3rd one. He's on his 4th. That's his 4th one. That's his 4th one. I'm watching. That's his 4th one. He's on his 4th hamburger. Right there. He has it down. Okay, we got 2 minutes left. Oh, we're in 2 minutes. We got 3 minutes left. Come on, Stephen. Is that your 3rd one? Okay. All right. Here we go. Stephen's catching up with him. Trey. All right, here he goes. Trey's almost done. Trey. Okay. All right, that's Trey's on his 5th hamburger. Is that correct? Your 5th hamburger. Stephen, that was your 3rd. Is that right? And you're on your 4th. 5th. Stephen's on his 4th. We're going to have a race here, guys. We are going to have a county boys in the back rooting the man on Trey. All right. Here we go. Come on, Stephen. Take your gun. That's it. That's it. All right. How you doing, Trey? You doing okay? Don't worry. Don't look at me. You got it handled. He's got it going. More right there. How you doing, sweetheart? You doing okay? Let these other suckers. So how you doing, bud? You doing okay? He got the thumbs up. All right, how we going? We're doing good. We are doing good here, guys. For the world champion hamburger eating contest of the world, right here in El Reno, Oklahoma, on the corner of Sunset and Russell. All right, Trey. He's going down. Stephen, that's your what? 5th? Stephen's on his 5th. Trey, that's on your 7th. Is that right? Or 6th? What is it, Kathleen? He's on his 6th hamburger right now. Stephen's catching up with him. Stephen's losing his time. This is going to be a close one. No pressure here, guys. No pressure. I know. That's why. Here's Stephen and Trey. They're necking it, one hamburger apart. Is that right? All right, here we go. All right, here, gotta get a hamburger ready. We got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. It's all right. No pressure, guys. No pressure at all. All right, here we go. All right. Trey. Yeah, there you go. 2 more bites. All right, 1 more bite. Come on, Stephen. There it goes. 1 more bite, Trey. Get it in there. All right, 1 more after that. All right. Okay, Kathleen, what's that burger he's on there? That'll be number 7 that Trey Hometown Brooks is on right now. The defending champion. How many is Stephen on right now? 1. That's his 6th one. We got 20 seconds. Come on. Eat that last hamburger. Make a home run. Make a total of 8. How much? 10. Everybody, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put down your burgers. Wow. Round of applause, everybody. Give them a round of applause. Let Kathleen. Okay. Kathleen's getting the statistics. I think it's pretty close. Plus, we might have to have a photo finish. Did you, sir, did you get that on tape so we can review that here in a little bit? Okay. We had that on tape in case we need to review that. And it is confirmed. We do have it on tape. In case we have to go back to the van to review this, we will get the results back to you if we have to do that at that point in time. Kathleen. No, you don't know how to do this. Okay. Natasha had 2.5. Give her a round of applause. Okay. Russell had 3 hamburgers. Give Russell a round of applause. Thank you, Russell. You okay? All right. Stephen Johnson, my friend from Tudors up there, Big Steve, had 6 hamburgers. Give him a round of applause. Thank you, Stephen. Yeah, light that cigarette for El Reno on TV. All right. All right. The winner, and still the fried onion hamburger king of El Reno, not only in our hearts, but in our minds, Trey Thank you, Trey. Thank you very much. Give him a round of applause. One more. I saw him sit over here. Grant Hedrick, our county commissioner. Grant, thank you for showing up. He always helps us every year, too, so thank you. I think I acknowledge everybody. Is that okay, everybody? All right. Now, where are we going now?